Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, make sure that you hit on the notification bell so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you would get notified that Razak Ghana Technology has uploaded a new content. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a blog. I get a lot of calls and messages from people from diverse locations asking me a simple question, quote unquote, Razak, how do I get a blog created? This has made me to do this video to teach anybody who is interested in knowing how to create a blog or a website. But before then, we don't just get up to create a blog. Before you can create a blog, you need to know and understand one or two things. So, if you are to take this video very serious, at the end of the day, you are going to be able to create a blog from start to end. Okay, now, like I did say, before you can create a blog, there are certain things you need to know or you need to understand. And one of them is the niche that you would be doing. When I say the niche, I'm talking about entertainment, I'm talking about health, I'm talking about sports, I'm talking about technology, I'm talking about insurance and the likes. Those are what we call niches. So before you can create a blog or before you attempt creating a blog, you need to understand what niches are. One thing is, when you go to many of the websites, you would see that people are doing multi-niche websites. What I mean to say is that when you visit a lot of blogs, you would see that people are doing entertainment at the same time health, at the same time sports, at the same time let's say politics and the likes. And this is not wise at all. One thing you need to know is that if you want to be into blogging, you need to focus on a particular niche. Yes, you need to focus on a particular niche. You don't need to combine niches. Focus on one particular niche. So you need to sit down and then think deeply. Know the strength you have. Know what kind of niche you would be able to do. If it is entertainment that you have the strength in doing, make sure that you focus on entertainment alone. If it is health that you have the strength in doing, make sure that you do health. If it is sports, make sure that you do sports. And with this, your blog is going to excel. So that is one thing you need to know. Niches. If you don't sit and then plan of a particular niche you are going to focus on, then in the end your blog isn't going to excel. The second thing you need to know or pay attention to is your brand's name. Yes, before you would create a blog, you need to get a brand's name. Yes, for instance, my brand name is Razak Ghana. So you need to sit and then get a very nice brand name, a brand name that you would be identified with. Getting a brand name is very, 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 very important. If you don't have a brand name, then there is no need, thinking about venturing into blogging. You need to get a very nice brand name. The third thing you need to know and then understand is your domain name. Your domain name. For instance, my domain name is razakghana.com. Yours can be razakghana.net. There are a lot of domain names. It can end with a .com domain, a .net domain, a .org domain, and a whole lot of them. So make sure that you sit and then get a domain name. And one thing you need to understand is that the domain name should have a correlation with the purpose of the website, with the niche of the website. What I'm trying to mean is that the domain name should give an idea about what your site is about or what your blog is about. Yes, so let's take it for instance. I want to create a website. Okay, now the domain name is, let's say, techintree.com. Techintree.com. Even though somebody hasn't visited the site, the moment the person hears techintree.com, the person is likely to conclude that this website is a technology website. You get it? So the domain name should have a correlation with the purpose of the website. Let's take it for instance, ghbase.com. If somebody should mention ghbase.com to you, the question is, what niche website is that? Is it entertainment? Is it health? Is it sports? Is it what is it? By immediately somebody mentions techintree.com, you are able to understand that one, the website is a technology website. So make sure that if it is a health website, add something like health to your domain name. If it is a sports website, add something like sports to your domain, your domain name. So before you can create a website or become a successful blogger, these are certain things you need to understand and then know. After you've gotten to know these, then you venture or you start with the creation of the blog or website. In this tutorial, I'm ending here, and in my subsequent videos, we will be talking a lot about how to create a blog or a website. Now that you've gotten this, in my next video, we will be doing the practical, form, or we will be doing the practical aspects. Yeah, so like I said, if today happens to be the very first time you are watching any of my videos, make sure that you do subscribe to this channel. After you are done subscribing, don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that henceforth, anytime I upload a new content, you would get notified that Rasa Ghana Technology has uploaded a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.